In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and manage version history in Google Docs. This feature can be incredibly useful for tracking changes, reverting to previous edits, or even just understanding how a document has evolved over time. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can use this tool effectively. First things first, open your Google Docs file. It can be any document where you'd like to see the history of edits. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you will see the File tab. Click on that to open a drop-down menu with several options. In the drop-down menu, hover your cursor over Version History. This action will reveal another submenu. In this submenu, you'll find a choice labeled See Version History. Go ahead and click on that. Doing this will open up a panel on the right side of your screen showing all the saved versions of your document. In this panel, you'll see a list of dates and times, each one representing a version saved during your document's lifespan. This list provides a clear timeline of the changes made. By clicking on any version, you can view it, and the edits will be highlighted for easy identification. This is particularly helpful if you want to track specific changes or see how certain sections have evolved. Now, suppose you decide that you'd like to revert your document back to a previous state. To do that, select the version you wish to restore by clicking on it. Then, at the top of the panel, there'll be an option labeled Restore this version. Just click on that, and your document will be restored to that particular version. Remember, though, this action doesn't delete the current version. Instead, it creates a new version in your history, so nothing truly disappears. If you're working collaboratively and want to keep your version history organized, you have the option to rename a version for clarity. To do this, go back to the version list and locate the specific version you want to rename. Click on the three dots, G, beside that version, and you'll see the option to name this version. It's a handy way to make specific versions easily identifiable, especially in long documents with extensive editing. A crucial point to note is that while you can restore previous versions, you cannot directly edit them within the version history. If you want to make changes based on an older version, restore it first, make your edits, and that will save as a new version itself. This ensures you always have a record of every change, allowing for full transparency and traceability. And there you have it. You now understand how to access and use the version history feature in Google Docs. Whether you're using it for your content revisions or simply keeping track of a collaborative project, this feature is an invaluable tool for maintaining clarity and organization in your documents. Happy editing!